So guys, the boss gods too, whatever. So I'm gonna talk about my experience with biokinesis. So I've been using this isolable for about a month now. It's pretty much a melon killer to remove the melon, and I don't know. I just been thinking and like just saying to myself, I really feel like almost any type of biokinesis in a way, it's a waste of time. Well, maybe it's just me because I really feel like I really am being just so misled and like misinformed because there's like people who in the comments saying, "Oh yeah, I listened I listened to the eye salon for like 2 days and my eyes are green now," and I'm like, "Oh yeah, I listened to it for this amount of time, now my eyes are a different color," and then the thing is like they keep saying, "Oh yeah, it works differently for everybody," but then I've been listening to this stuff for like a month now and like no physical change. Look at this. Look at this. Hold on. Yeah, there's no really any change. Maybe it's just me, but please don't come in the comments saying, "Oh, you are getting results." No, no, I'm not. But I really feel like biokinesis is a waste of time unless you're doing biokinesis for height or muscle growth, really, because any other type of biokinesis is a waste of time. Or like, at least to me, I don't know if and you have gotten different results or different experiences, but to me, it's a complete waste of time. But you know what? I'm just gonna keep listening to it for like another month, and if I don't see like any noticeable results, I'm just gonna quit, and I'm just gonna do maybe just use height subliminals until I get to the desired height I want, and then I just might straight up just switch to superpowers only subliminal, or I might even quit using subliminals in general, to be honest, because I don't know. But yeah, whatever. Um, what would I say? Yeah, now I remember what I was gonna say. I was gonna talk about we the subliminal community or whatever, we're so misled. You know that? Like we the thing about like gets me mad about eyes is that people can just say they got results or they can just put in context. They're like, oh yeah, my eyes different color. Oh yeah, listen to a month, now my eyes are this color. Or they can just Photoshop the picture to make it look like their eyes are a different color. And I'm like, oh right. And I really just am so skeptical and very distrusting now towards all these subliminal creators. The thing that gets me mad about these eye subliminals though is you can feel I can feel like when I listen to it I can feel my eyes tingling or even burning, and then or watering, and then like it's really tough because then you look in the mirror and then you're like, oh, my eyes still look the same. What's the point? I'm like, god damn it. I don't know. It's just sad. We live in an era where like things could be so manipulated and changed, and like you don't know what to trust. It's sad, you know. But I'm gonna upload I think a new sub by later. So yeah, that's all I wanted to say. My own experience and thoughts about kinesis, pretty much.